For those of you who need real-world examples such as me, let's look at examples here. So for example, you have a building which earns you 100K net operating income per year, okay? So you have used your rental revenue minus your operational expense, but you didn't include your mortgages, okay? So you're getting at a 100K number every year, all right? This is NOI. And assume, for example, the cap rate in the area is 5%. So you simply use 100K divided by 5%, that gets you 2 million, which is roughly your building should be worth around 2 million on the market, okay? So you use NOI divided by cap rate is your building value, or vice versa. This area's cap rate can be determined by NOI divided by how much the asset is sold. Now, I want to dig more into the formula so you can understand the essence of how multifamily works. Here's a simple example. A building has 100 units. If we increase each unit's rent by $30 a month, then the building's annual rental income will be increased by 30 times 100 times 12, which is 36,000, right? At the same time, if we lower the cost of each unit by 20 per month, then the annual operating cost will be decreased by 20 times 100 times 12, which is 24,000, right? You add these together, you get 60,000 increase in your annual NOI, correct? Then, assuming if the cap rate is 5%, you use this 60,000 divided by 5%, what do you get? You get 1.2 million. What does it mean? This means by simply increasing your rent per unit by $30 a month, and by simply reducing your cost by $20 a month per unit, you are able to increase the building value by 1.2 million. If you understand this example, you then essentially can understand how multifamily works. Let's dig deeper. So for a C-rated apartment building with 100 units, the selling price would be around, let's say 20 million. Let's say we need 25% down pay. Then you need 5 million for down pay. Now, if you have just increased your building value by 1.2 million, what percentage is that 1.2 million compared to the down pay? This is how you amplify your return on owning multifamily buildings.